Good morning, all. Welcome to our TikTok training. I just want to tell you that I'm sorry for the time that we've wasted so far, but bear with me because now we are fully back on TikTok. So I'm going to, as usual, I'll start from the beginning, introduction to TikTok, okay? And then we'll teach you how you can create TikTok account, not just your Nigerian account, but also foreign account. When I mean Nigerian account, I mean wherever you are, okay? You might be from different countries, okay? So it's not just Nigeria. Any country that doesn't have monetized TikTok, I'll show you can actually create international accounts from a country that is monetized. So you can actually monetize your TikTok. So you have a lot to learn on TikTok with me, okay? Mainly we finish those two introductions, which is how to create Nigerian account or your account and how to create international accounts. From there, we'll now move into powerfully into TikTok. And I'll show you how you can actually change your product to look so beautiful. It could be your product, it could be yourself. If you look at me right now, the way I was when I was starting this training was not the way I am right now. You see, there's a lot of transformation right now, right? So I'm going to show you how you can use effect to achieve many things on TikTok. For example, let me just show you one. I want to change this place I am now, this place I'm talking to you now, to another place. Look at the background now. I want to change it to another background. So I just come over. Let me change to living room effect. Okay. Let me change this background. I don't like the background I'm discussing with you right now. Okay. So I will change it to another background right away. Okay. I just hope this will work exactly. Exactly. Okay. So it's me talking to you. It's the same place I was, but look at it. I've changed it. So these are what I'm going to teach you on TikTok. Okay. If you want to learn and be wow, get things that will help you go viral or sell your product here on TikTok, then hang around with me because I teach you settings that you need to turn on and one that you need to turn off. A lot of things. Let me not talk too much. See you there in that class. I can't wait to see you. And if you are watching me from somewhere else, please look at the link below, click on it, and join our class today. We don't just train you on TikTok, we train you on other things as well, like everything social media and how you can make money online. We are through with WhatsApp, we are through with Facebook, we are now on TikTok. From there, we go to YouTube and Instagram. So, a whole lot of social media training, especially on the area of monetization. Okay, so hang around with us, listen to our classes, watch the videos, practice what you are learning, and most importantly, follow us anywhere we are. If you are watching us from YouTube, subscribe to our channel, comment and like and ask questions. If you are watching us on Facebook, same thing. Follow us on Facebook, comment, ask questions, and share our videos for more people. Bring in your friends to come and learn because here we teach you everything for free. See you in that class. I can't wait to see you. Love you. Bye. I've changed the background again.